Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. Would you like to see some pretty things? Okay, I'll show you. Thanks for being here. I love that you're here. It is new Madame Glam collection time. This is the Amber Shift collection. It's their September collection. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's some cat eyes, and you can get a whopping 30% off at Madame Glam using the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. So we're going to have a thorough vetting of the, oh my word, look at this colour. Are you kidding me? And this one, they're so vampy and dark and delicious. So we're going to have a look at them like this, then we will get some pops ready and we will swatch them. I'm also going to show you the second coat. I don't know if I normally do that, do I? Can't remember. But we're also going to re-giveaway. So I need to explain what happened with the last giveaway because it all went a bit Pete Tong. Do people know that saying? Was Pete Tong a global thing? Anyway, it all went a bit Pete Tong and I will explain it to you in a min, but we're going to sort of reopen the giveaway. Anyway, so these colours are, shall I read the little thing about them? This month we embrace the quiet magic of September, the golden hour of the year, where every shade tells a story of confidence, colour and graceful transition. Meet the Amber Shift collection, a collection of fall in full colour. What? Oh, fall. A celebration of autumn in full colour, featuring rich browns, burnished golds and warm tones inspired by crisp air and golden leaves. Sophisticated yet bold, these shades are made to elevate your autumn looks. Hang on, are we using autumn or fall? They've said autumn here. Looks with depth, glow and unmistakable glam. These cremes are creming. They're creamy and smooth and opaque, and the cat eyes. Oh, just you wait and see. Just you wait and see. I didn't mean for that to sound threatening. So we have typed up our names, polish names. And I still haven't got new scissors and I still haven't fixed the blunt scissors. And every time I sit down to do this, I think, oh, the second I'm done, I'll go online and I'll order some new scissors because I tried the sharpening things that some of you guys suggested. And I think they're just beyond repair. I think they're just beyond fixing. And they're not expensive, so I just need to buy some more. But if I don't do it the second I think about it, I forget until the next time. And then look at this. This is sped up like 3 times 3 or 3.5 even, and it still took bloody ages. We're going to get our pops out. 8 of them. And oh, guess what? I am starting an Amazon storefront. I got this spam email and I was sure it was spam, but I screenshot it and asked Gemini, who's like my new best friend. I spoke to Gemini for about 3 hours the other night about just everything in the world. And it was like, yeah, it's spam. But then I looked and thought, well, I qualify for an Amazon storefront anyway, apparently. So I'm just setting that all up, adding a bunch of nail things, nail essentials, consumables, nail art things. But I thought also, oh, would you stop? Look at this. Look at, don't often do that for something that's not sparkly or cat eye. But this colour is divine. I mean, tell me you don't want to put that on and then suck someone's blood. Not really. Just to be clear, in case there's any confusion. And this one here, oh, so nice. Oh, so good. This one, how nice will this be for like pumpkins and autumny leaves and some maybe autumnal tartan, that sort of thing. What was I saying? Gemini, Amazon, that's it. I have So I'm putting together these lists or whatever they're called. And I thought, let's do one for anxiety and all the things that I have and use that help me to be calm, and when I'm feeling really bad, things that I use. So I'm making a list of that as well. And then I thought, well, let's just go the whole hog. So I've got a health and beauty list of products I use for hair and skin and that sort of thing. And then I'm also going to do a list for just stuff I own and have and like. Oh, look. Oh, that's delicious. Berry bold. Oh, this Cateye, right. This Cateye is the smoothest Cateye to ever Cateye. Like, there's no granular anything. It's just completely silky smooth. I was having a bit of fun with it. But yeah, no like fizz, you know, no noise, just really smooth. And this one is just insane. I think I needed to shake the bottle. But you'll see on the second coat. We'll do some designs with these. Let me know what sort of designs you want to see with them, and I'll get on it. I kind of feel like I'm going to skip for. No, I do want to do some autumny ones, but I also want to sort of jump straight into Halloween. So yeah, my Amazon storefront, I'll let you know when it's active, so that you can go on there, and if you like any of the things that are on there and you purchase them, then I think I earn a small commission. So that would be a nice way to support the channel if you wanted. There's some Vaseline lip balm in my health and beauty things, you know, stuff like that, and things that I find calming. So it'd be worth having a look anyway. I feel a bit exposed, like I'm putting out there, like this is my life in shopping form. It's possibly quite revealing. But there you go. So now we're doing the second coats. And as we watch those, look how dark and deep this colour is. I was this close, fingers are touching, to putting this on. But I still, the daytimes are still a bit tricky for me at the moment, anxiety-wise. In the evening, I'm like, oh, shall I do like a multicoloured, you know, glitter rainbow Cateye bonanza on my nails? Yeah, definitely. And then the morning comes and I'm like, thank goodness I didn't, because I feel anxious and I wouldn't want anything on me. So we're slowly getting there. I'm sure at some point soon you'll see my nails painted. It's been like a year and a half now. How bad is that? Anyway, the giveaway. So I went to buy postage online to send these stickers to the US. And how do I say this? Your dude has screwed you over, okay? Because of all his changes in importing and things like that, it was going to cost, send a tiny little envelope with some stickers that weighed nothing. It was going to cost, look at that, Cateye. Oh, yeah. It was going to cost 15 quid. 15 quid to send an envelope that weighed a few grams. And they want you to fill out an entire customs form. So I had to apologise to Raquel, and I apologise again because I feel absolutely awful. But 15, what's 15 quid in dollars? Hey Google, what's 15 GBP in USD? See what she has to say. Come on.
15 British pounds is approximately 20 United States dollars and 26 cents.
$20. $20. I'm like Rachel bidding on the trip for two to Paris. So that's ridiculous. Do you know what else is ridiculous? This polish, but good ridiculous, not blow your brains out ridiculous. Look at this glow. Imagine doing some leaves in this and bringing out the glow, but do the leaves separately. So bring out the glow on one, flash cure, do it on the next one, bring out the glow. Oh, isn't that stunning? And this glow is so bright. You know, when you look at the sun and you feel it in the back of your eyes, like how blinding it is. This is like that. Look how bright. Look at it. Come on now. You physically cannot get brighter than that. It's white, but bright. Anyway, you can see. Anyway, why anyone didn't think if you put the price up for people to send stuff in the US, they're just going to make the item that people in the US are buying that much more expensive to cover the cost of that. I'm not quite sure why that wasn't their first thought on the matter. I guess the goal is to get you to buy domestic, but if you're importing something, it's likely because it's cheaper. So if you get it domestically, then it will be more expensive because of labour costs and labour laws and regulations and things don't make, it's not as cheap. So either way, you're going to end up paying more. So my apologies, not my apologies. It's not my fault. I didn't make the decision. My sympathies is what I mean. Right, we're going to do this little section is now what we're going to call matchy swatches. No. These are little combos from the sets that I think are nice. We're going to call it MISSJO's Combos. There we go. Perfect name. So for now, I'm reopening the sticker giveaway for UK only. I'll figure something out for future. I don't know what. I'll worry about it near the time. So if you're in the UK, if you haven't seen the giveaway video for the stickers, it's a couple of videos ago, but let me know in the comments on this video. Tell me to sticker you up right good. Look at that colour combo. Does that not just scream autumnal? Autumnal vampire, Glam vampire. Oh, and these, how pretty is that together? I love it when collections have a bunch of different combos. MISSJO's combos. I think I might have already shown that one or not. I don't know. Let me know what you think of these colours. Let me know if you're going to get any of them or all of them. I think you deserve all of them. Summer's over. I mean, it kind of is here. It was sunny today, but there's definitely that smell in the air of autumn. I hate that smell. Just reminds me of got to go back to school in September. Oh no, we're in September, aren't we? I don't know where I am. What was I talking about? Yes, you deserve a treat to, in case you feel miserable that the seasons are changing, treat yourself to these. This is without the flash. And look how bananas they look without the flash. It's almost two collections. You've got the ones on the left, the 4 on the left, and then the 4 on the right. I'm holding them all to the left because that's where the flash is, but I haven't actually got the flash on yet. Now we have the flash on. Now they're going to burn your retinas out. Yeah, even though you can mix and match from both sides of this, I think the 4 on the left and the 4 on the right are their own little collections, aren't they? The purpley with the purple and the smoky elegance. I think I might have to do something with those because they're so pretty. Do you know what I think would look nice on those? Skulls. Skulls, of course. Oh, a hand, because sometimes hand. Did you guys see my last video where I used an airbrush for the first time? If you haven't, go check it out. Super fun to use. Let me know what you want to see me do with these. What do you see when you look at them? I need some ideas. Don't forget you can use the link and discount code in the description. I appreciate you being here and having a little swatcheroo with me. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want the stickers. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.